What's up, y'all? Frank with Midnight Chaos. We at the Junkyard 311. We got my boy Anthony with me. What's up, Anthony? So what happened to you, man? Tell me what's going on with the GS right now.
So yeah, I got into a little fender bender yesterday.
Okay.
You know, but you know, God is good.
God is good. Thank you.
You know, I'm just trying to, get it all situated for you today.
That's right.
That's all I'm saying.
Yeah.
All
so now we here. Couple tools, thanks to Larry. Shit, 311. We appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna hopefully find what we need, or we're going to another junkyard. So stay tuned. So we found our first one, you guys.
Looks like it has everything on there.
Not everything. Let's see. Sway bar link. The link's fucked.
Oh shit.
The sway bar is good. The lower control arm's cool. You can probably route this for the lower control arm for sure. Let's get to work. All right, y'all. Let me show y'all. We getting a sway bar off it. Oh, there we go. We getting a sway bar off this car. I'm probably gonna get that little control arm over there and a few other things. So yeah, it's about to come off right now. I might have to leave that one in for a second. Stuck on the plastic. All right. First piece out the car. Oh, this is getting trapped in everything. Look at the bitch. Did that even fall out? So we got everything we need off this crappy car, but all we really can get is a little bit of shit, you know what I'm saying? Sway bars here, a couple of little parts off the side of the car. The rest of it was like shitty, so caught a couple of spots and we gotta go pick it up. Here we come, O'Reilly's, I think, or AutoZone, one of them. AutoZone? AutoZone, all right. What's up, bro? All right, y'all. So we got the parts. I gotta throw this shit on. He did a number. That is. Let's get to work.
A few moments later.
All right, we took a break. And Larry brought us some more tools. So we appreciate him. What's up, Larry? What's up with you, man? Shit. Yeah. How you doing?
Chilling, man.
Car looks good.
30s, man.
Go check this shit out.
Do some work.
All right, y'all. Day 2. Finally got everything off. Look at this. Look at this. It don't supposed to look like that. Trust me. That is all the hell. But he needed another Lower control arm bushing too. So we want to get that. And got another sway bar link. So yeah, I'll be putting all this stuff back on. So everything is fucking out. Sucks about this car. A lot of bolts have been snapping on me. Make sure you get some penetrating oil to help out because they still been snapping. Alright, y'all. It's like 12 o'clock at night. We finally got this thing finished. It took a lot of time. Hey, Jay!
What's going on? You know what I'm saying? You know, I know that everybody's tired, and I appreciate everybody that helped. You know what I'm saying?
Hell yeah, it's late as a mug.
It is. It really is.
It really is, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
But guess what? We got it done, though. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Midnight Chaos. Chauncey, if it wasn't for you, baby, I would have gave up a lot of different times in the day today.
Hey,
you gotta send me that sweat video you got me.
In my heart, I gave up 5 hours ago. You know, I'm not here right now.
Right, still.
I'm already at home.
Oh, man. Chauncey car, y'all. Yeah. 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 The G's out tonight. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful skyline. You know what I'm saying? So fucking happy I got that car finished, man. Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe. Subscribe.